To fix the issue of Messenger not being able to send multiple photos, follow these steps. First, ensure your Messenger app is up to date, as outdated versions can cause issues with sending multiple photos. Open the App Store on your device, search for Messenger, and check if there are any available updates. Next, check your internet connection, as a stable and strong connection is necessary for sending multiple photos. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if the issue persists. Another step is to clear the Messenger app cache, as accumulated cache can cause the app to malfunction. To do this, go to your device settings, find the Messenger app, and select the option to clear cache. Additionally, check the file size and format of the photos you are trying to send. Messenger may have limitations on the size and type of files that can be sent, so try resizing or converting the photos to a compatible format. If the issue still persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This will remove any corrupted files and reinstall the app with the latest version. It is also important to check the device storage space, as low storage can prevent the app from functioning properly. Try deleting unnecessary files or expanding your device storage to free up space. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Messenger not being able to send multiple photos and enjoy a seamless messaging experience. Remember to always keep your app updated and maintain a stable internet connection to avoid any issues in the future.